This video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast, now also shipping to the United States.
Hello everyone and welcome to this giveaway to celebrate the first year anniversary of the Gunpla network. We had two prizes to give away to our awesome members. Firstly, we want to thank Canadian Gundam once more for sponsoring this event and providing us with these kits to give you. If you are living in the USA or Canada, please consider them for your next Gunpla order. Flat shipping rate on every orders. The first prize is the HGCEL Strike from Gundam Seed. To enter, you had to add a comment on the specific post on the Facebook group. We had over 174 entries. We attributed every entry with a number and used a random generator to select a winner. So the winner is number 100, that was attributed to Sean Ong Lo from the Philippines. And now the big prize, an awesome looking Reboard 100 Ifrit custom. To enter, you had to add a comment under the giveaway YouTube video, be a subscriber, and also be a member of the Gunpla network on Facebook. And the winner is Sean Hurst from the USA. Congratulations. We will contact both of our winners in the next few days. Thank you to everyone that entered, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Gunpla related content and maybe more giveaways in the near future. Take care, bye.